Hey guys, my name's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2020 Bennington 20 SV. This is our special boat, meaning special pricing of course. 20 foot in length, pontoon with a Yamaha 90 it's equipped with. You got a nice starboard lounge here. It's very large. It's I'll say close to 6.5, 7 feet. Speaker in the floor. Got a nice little coast-side lounge there. Side entry door, of course. You got a rather large lounge here. Of course, it is your standard L shape that reaches over here to the captain's chair. Nice console, stereo, Bluetooth, MP3, auxiliary, Yamaha, of course. Got a nice walkway to the deck and big deck on the back. Ski tow bar, Yamaha 90, of course, goes on. This is a little sun pad, but also storage. Ton amount of storage under there. Battery goes in there. Storage up under all your seats. Again, this is a little 20-foot pontoon with our special pricing on it. If you'd like some more information, give us a call here at MarineMax in Greenville, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.